Why are there not more people talking about the deadly impact of heat waves? Extreme heat is a silent killer. It claims lives every year, often without warning. The dangers of extreme heat are becoming increasingly apparent as global temperatures rise. Climate change is exacerbating the frequency and intensity of heat waves, putting more people at risk. Did you know that heat waves cause more deaths per capita than any other weather-related event in the United States? This essay will examine the impact of extreme heat on mortality in the United States, focusing on data-driven insights, state-specific impacts, and safety tips. We must understand the risks and take proactive steps to protect ourselves and our communities. Thank you to the websites and the authors that we referenced in creating this video. Their links are listed in the description. We urge you to click on them to see the full articles and their illustrations. There are some promotional links in the description that will help support our channel. You can make your everyday purchases by accessing Amazon and our other affiliates through American Northwest Products websites, Amazon and other affiliates storefront. Please like, subscribe, share, click on the notification bell, and we welcome your comments. I bet you didn't know extreme heat poses a significant threat to human health. Extreme heat poses a significant threat to human health. Heat-related illnesses, such as heat exhaustion and heat stroke, can quickly escalate into life-threatening situations. People with underlying health conditions, the elderly and young children are particularly susceptible. Heat stroke is the most serious heat-related illness. It occurs when the body becomes unable to control its temperature. The body's temperature rises rapidly, the sweating mechanism fails, and the body is unable to cool down. When heat stroke occurs, the body temperature can rise to 106 degrees Fahrenheit or higher within 10 to 15 minutes. Heat stroke can cause death or permanent disability if emergency treatment is not provided. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Heat waves, prolonged periods of excessively hot weather, can amplify those risks. During heat waves, the sustained high temperatures put a strain on the body's ability to regulate its internal temperature, increasing the likelihood of heat-related illnesses. The combination of heat and humidity can further exacerbate the situation. Certain regions of the United States are more vulnerable to extreme heat than others. States in the South, such as Mississippi and Alabama, experience high rates of heat-related deaths per capita due to extreme temperatures and limited access to cooling resources. Southwestern states, including Arizona and Nevada, also face significant heat hazards, contributing to high mortality rates during heat waves. In the lower 48 states, 1991 to 2020 was 0.84 degrees Fahrenheit warmer than the 1901 to 1960 average. This long-term warming trend is projected to continue. The rate of warming in the coming decades will depend primarily on the amount of greenhouse gases emitted globally. U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. These states often have large urban populations which can create urban heat islands. Urban heat islands occur when cities experience higher temperatures than surrounding rural areas due to factors such as asphalt surfaces, reduced vegetation, and concentrated human activity. Data from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, reveals the deadly impact of extreme heat. According to the CDC, an average of over 700 heat-related deaths occur in the United States each year. However, this number is likely an underestimation, as many heat-related deaths may be attributed to other causes. Heat-related deaths are preventable. People suffer heat-related illness when their bodies are unable to compensate and properly cool off. The body normally cools itself by sweating, but under some conditions, sweating just isn't enough. In such cases, a person's body temperature rises rapidly. Very high body temperatures may damage the brain or other vital organs, says the CDC. The true toll of extreme heat is difficult to quantify, but it is undoubtedly significant. The impact goes beyond mortality, affecting public health, healthcare systems, and the economy. Extreme heat can lead to increased hospitalizations, lost workdays, and reduced productivity. Staying safe during periods of extreme heat is crucial. The CDC recommends several preventative measures, including stay hydrated by drinking plenty of fluids, especially water. Avoid strenuous activity during the hottest parts of the day. Wear lightweight, light-colored clothing. Seek air-conditioned environments such as shopping malls or libraries. It is essential to check on vulnerable individuals such as the elderly and those with underlying health conditions to ensure their safety. If you or someone you know experiences symptoms of heat exhaustion or heat stroke, seek immediate medical attention. Weather-related deaths are a tragic reality that affects communities across the United States. While extreme heat is a significant factor, it's important to consider all types of weather events that contribute to these fatalities. The following list highlights the top 10 states with the highest weather-related deaths per capita, including tornadoes, hurricanes, flooding, freezing heat, and other contributing weather events. Number 1, Montana, 3.4 deaths per capita per year. Extreme cold, winter storms, flooding, and extreme heat are significant threats. Number 2, Alabama, 3.1 deaths per capita per year. Known for its severe thunderstorms, tornadoes, and extreme heat. Number 3, Louisiana, 2.9 deaths per capita per year, frequently impacted by hurricanes, flooding, and extreme heat. Number 4, Mississippi, 2.7 deaths per capita per year, vulnerable to tornadoes, extreme heat, and flooding. Number 5, Arkansas, 2.5 deaths per capita per year, experiences a high incidence of tornadoes, severe storms, and extreme heat. Number 6, Oklahoma, 2.3 deaths per capita per year, Tornado Alley with frequent and deadly tornadoes and extreme heat. Number 7, Kentucky, 2.1 deaths per capita per year, subject to severe storms, floods, and extreme heat. Number 8, West Virginia, 1.9 deaths per capita per year, known for flooding, severe winter weather, and extreme heat. Number 9, South Dakota, 1.7 deaths per capita per year. Extreme cold, blizzards, tornadoes, and extreme heat take a toll. Number 10, Wyoming, 1.5 deaths per capita per year. Harsh winters, severe storms, and extreme heat contribute to fatalities. Additionally, Arizona has the most deaths due to heat-related incidents per capita per year, with a total of 1.2 deaths per capita per year for all weather-related incidences, highlighting the severe impact of extreme heat. Understanding the impact of weather-related deaths in these states underscores the importance of preparedness and community resilience. Whether it's extreme heat, severe storms, or harsh winters, staying informed and taking proactive measures can save lives. Let's return to our call for action and explore how we can collectively work to mitigate these risks and protect our communities. Extreme heat is a growing threat that demands our immediate action. Addressing this climate-related issue requires a multifaceted approach that includes individual actions, community preparedness, and policy interventions. We must raise awareness about the dangers of extreme heat and educate the public on preventative measures. Communities need to develop heat action plans that include early warning systems, cooling centers, and outreach programs. Policymakers should implement strategies to mitigate the impacts of climate change and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. The threat of extreme heat is real, but by taking immediate steps and working together, we can protect ourselves, our communities, and future generations. The links for more detailed readings are available in the description. Start taking action today.